Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today, my Allure beauty box for December finally decided to arrive. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my December Allure box just arrived, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm so excited to get in here because last month, I know a few of you guys told me that the collaboration or what they're doing this month is supposed to be awesome, and January is supposed to be really good too, so I cannot wait to see what is in here. And I think I heard something about a highlighting palette. What? So let's dive in this bad boy. I haven't watched anybody's videos or anything like that. I'm actually so excited and proud of myself that I refrained because now I'm going to be able to be surprised. So let's get inside, and this feels like it's something like it's in there, like it's not even closing all the way. So Allure beauty box, you guys. Okay, there's a little pamphlet. And, whoa, okay, we have quite a few things in there, you guys, and I'm really excited. Okay, so then here is the little booklet with this gorgeous woman right there on there. And then let's go ahead and see what we have. Let's go ahead and go with the first thing that I noticed as soon as I opened up the box. And this is a dry shampoo invisible spray. I don't use dry shampoo, so I will definitely set this aside for a future giveaway. My box is getting a little full, so I will be doing that soon. But here is a Oscar Blandy dry shampoo invisible spray. Sprays clear. There's that. And this says that it's $25 would be the full size, and I'm assuming, I'm going to assume this is not the full size because there's no way this little guy should be $25, but the big full size is $25, and I don't think that that's what this is. So there's the first item right there, which will go to one of you guys. Then we have is Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smooth Priming Moisturizer from is this First Aid Beauty? Yes. And this I would assume would be the full size because this seems like a big guy, and this is 50 milliliters. Yes. So this is a full size, and this is $28. Huh, $28. This is way more than the cost of this entire box, you guys. And there's still 3 more products in my box. So this is the Coconut Skin Smooth Primer. Yes, moisturizing primer. So that's amazing. And this says, apply evenly over clean face, follow with makeup, or wear alone for a natural look. So I'll definitely try that out, especially if it's like more of a moisturizing. I normally don't use primer, but I will definitely try that out because right now in this time of year, like in the winter state, my skin gets really dry. So anything that'll bring moisture, I'm all for. And then now we have is an Anastasia of Beverly Hills liquid lip. And let's see what color this bad boy is. This is in the color Bohemian, and it looks like it's going to be a burgundy. I don't have a whole lot of this brand's lip products. I honestly don't really care too much for the eyeshadow palettes. I have like 2 or 3 of them, and I never really pull for them because I just don't like the way that they blend, to be quite honest. But here is the actual color, and let's swatch this. Ooh, that is definitely a burgundy. Let's see. It is very, very dark, but honestly, you guys, I think I really like it. What do you think? What do you think? It dried down perfectly. I don't even feel like it's on my mouth. It's not wet. So it dries down to like a nice, I would say a matte finish. I don't know the difference. It just says liquid lip, but long wear, high pigmented matte liquid lip color. So there's that product, and I am loving this lip product. And this is $20 by itself. So even this is over the cost of the entire box. what in the world? I don't know how they did this, but I really, really hope you guys all got this for $15. I almost think that I should have signed up for another one just so I could have had all these products again. Oh my gosh, this last product in here is $40 value. Whew. Okay, so now we have is a clear brow gel by Anastasia. This right here is valued at $22. That's a full size. So I don't know if this is a full size or not. I wouldn't think so because this is like the big boy, and then this looks, I mean, I know it's not life size on the picture. So I don't know if this is a full size product or not, but it's just like a, looks like a mascara, but it's just a clear brow gel. Keep your brows in check. So there's that. Then what I'm so excited to get, this is $40, you guys. Please tell me you got this box. This is the Moonchild Glow Kit highlighting palette. This is again valued at $40. There's the actual packaging. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. This is so, so pretty. Oh my goodness. I'm going to dip into this one that says Star. It just called my name. And it has like a slight gray tone to it. That, oh my goodness. Let me swatch all these on my hand for you guys. So there's all 4 colors just right across the top of my hand. Oh my goodness, look at how, it's electrifying. Get your sunglasses, you guys, because this is bling bling city. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And this whole box was only $15. See, you guys, a few months back, I was so upset with Allure because all it was like 4 or 5 tiny samples. And I'm like, I know they can do better. They've done better. They put high-end products in their boxes before. You guys, if you did not get this, I'm sorry. $15, this box is freaking amazing. $40, $20, here's $60. This, I don't know if this is a full size or not, so I don't really want to call this exactly $22, but this First Aid Beauty is $28. This is $88 in just these products, and you still have these to add to it. I guess if your box could have contained this dry shampoo or this Farewell Frizz. I haven't tried that, but I've tried the leave-in conditioner from that brand. So me personally, I really wish we would have been able to choose that item because I would have chose the flyaways because I have flyaways where I don't need dry shampoo, but that's okay because this item is going to go to one of you guys, and every other item in this box I'm keeping, and I'm loving it. Oh my gosh, Allure, you are back in action. Woo! I know I doubted you 1 month, but this is why. I don't know how they do this for $15 and free shipping. $15 and free shipping. I do have a link down below. You can go check them out and sign up. I hear January is supposed to be really good. I don't know if it's going to be this good, but holy moly, how did they do this? Allure, please tell me, how did you do this? This is insane, you guys. I cannot believe $15. We have a $40 highlighting palette and a $20 lip product. $28 on this bad boy, and still 2 other products. This is insane. Can you tell I'm excited about this box? What is this? That's how excited I am. Doing things that I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But this is an amazing box, you guys. I'm loving this lip color. This highlighter though, like, oh, hello. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So you guys, comment down below. Tell me, did you get this box? Because I really, really hope you guys got this box, because $15 for this is absolutely amazing. Like, amazing. I can't say amazing enough. Holy shit. Okay, you guys. So that is everything that I have for you. I'm just baffled. I'm actually speechless for once, and I don't know what else to say, but comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And yeah, so yeah, I was up until 3 o'clock this morning wrapping gifts, and then I got in the shower and laid down like at 4 o'clock in the morning. So I woke up this morning and I was super, super tired, and I sat here and I did a makeup try on, and now I opened this, and my day now is going to be an amazing day because I'm so excited. I'm just so excited. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.